Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning, girls. Today we are going to see our new topic, that is congratulating and complimenting. Do you know what is complimenting, girls? A statement or action that shows admiration for somebody. That is called compliment. Okay. Used to say that you like something or to thank somebody for something. Okay, that is called compliment. To say that you think somebody's something is very good, that is compliment. Okay, what is congratulating? Congratulating, that is used for telling that you are happy with his or her good luck or success. Okay, that is congratulating somebody. For example, if someone got married, that is you are congratulating them as happy married life, like that. That is congratulations. Okay, congratulating someone that you are happy for that. Okay, here how to express congratulations. That is congratulating and responding to congratulations. I would like to congratulate you on. Okay, and may I congratulate you on. I must congratulate you. It was a great to hear about you. Okay, these are the way you can congratulate. Okay, then responding to congratulations, that is it's very good to see, good you to say so. How nice of you to say so. Thank you very much for saying so. These are all the expressions you can congratulate or respond to the congratulations. Is it clear? Okay, here I have shared you one that is the homework, like some examples. In that you have to fill the dashes. Okay, here Tuti, how is your business, Ria? Then Ria dash. Most of the customers are satisfied with my products. Congratulations, that's a dash. Right now, dash. Okay, here you just think carefully and understand that what can be filled in the dashes, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, then we have complete the dialogue. Here is a small dialogue is given. John, hi Dora. Dora, oh, I am going to take the driving test tomorrow. That's great. Here you can easily complete the dialogue. Okay. Here, see this image and tell me, by seeing the image, what comes in your mind, the expression of. Okay. Here, identify the expression. You look very nice today. Thank you. You're incredible paintist. Really? Wow, you are a great skier. Thanks. This is amazing food. I'm glad you like it. I really love your haircut. Thanks for noticing. Nice bag. Thanks. It was on sale. Okay, how to express compliment. Congratulation is an expression that we can use to give the congratulation utterance when he or she succeeds in doing something. Okay, then compliment is an expression that we show or say to express or give praise. Okay, some people use compliments to butter up somebody or to flatter in order to increase goodwill. For example, on his or her general appearance, if you notice something new about the person's appearance, when you visit someone's house for the first time, when other people do their best. Okay, then gratitude. Gratitude, yesterday it's in the previous class itself we have understood what is gratitude. Gratitude is an expression that we show or say to express grateful feeling to other people. When speaking English, you say thanks very often. Please say thank you when people give you something. Okay, instead of saying just thanks, you have to say thank you. Okay, when people give you something, you help you do something, wish you something, or give you a compliment. Okay, simply you should not say thanks. Okay, here your noun phrase is looks like the compliment expression is given. Okay, your hair looks great. I love this vegetable soup. This is really nice painting. What a lovely apartment. These are all the compliments. Looks, love, really nice, lovely, etc. Okay, is it clear, ma? Okay, then what is the difference between compliment and congratulating? Complimenting and congratulating. Okay, that is, as a noun, the difference between congratulations and compliment is that congratulation is the act of congratulating, while compliment is an expression of praising something or encouragement or respect. Okay, be genuine. Genuine, when you say compliments that you don't mean, people can almost always tell. If you really mean the things you say, they will be much more likely to believe you and feel good about what you say. Then be respectful. Make sure what you are saying to someone isn't offensive. Okay, when you are complimenting, you have to make sure your words, what you are going to say, that should not be offensive, even if you mean it to be a compliment. Okay, if your compliment is based on their race or their physical appearance, you are venturing into dangerous territory, so you have to avoid all those things. Okay, then time compliments carefully. That is, there are some compliments which are inappropriate in certain situations. Okay, when you are complimenting someone, you have to see everything, every corner, that the situation should suit. Okay, and you have to be very appropriate. You have to use a very good language, words, usage of words should be seen, because you should not be offensive. Okay, so if you are doing so, you will be in a dangerous territory. Okay, make sure you look at the context of what's going on before you compliment someone. Okay, you have to see everything. Then how do you congratulate someone in one word? Okay, that is, another word for congratulation is best or good wishes. Compliments, cheers, greetings, hats off, good, nice work, well done, etc. Useful words for congratulations such as salutations, bravo, hip hip hooray, nice one, that's the way. These are all the things. Okay, then commendations, facilitations, regards, respect, good one mate, you have got it, everything. Okay, then in a formal way, how you have to congratulate in a professional way. That is, congratulations on your well deserved success, heartfelt congratulations to you, warmest congratulations on your achievement, then congratulations and best wishes for your next adventure. So pleased to see you accomplishing great things. Okay, these are all the things. That is in a formal way. That is express congratulations. Congratulations is an expression that we use to give the congratulation utterance when he or she is be succeed in doing something. Okay. Here are some expressions of congratulations and their proper responses. And then expressing compliment. Compliment is an expression that we show or say to express or give praise. Then here we have That is congratulations a compliment? A compliment is about you, and congratulations are about something that's happened to you. Okay, compliment: you are the best teacher I have ever had. Congratulations, that is you won the award for best teacher. Okay, that is congratulations. Is it clear? That is here I have presented you some expressions like you are amazing, and that excellent job on the presentation today. I'm really very happy. I love your shoes. You have really good taste. You look stunning. Good job on the report. Can tell you put a lot and time effort into it. Your writing really inspires me. The cake you baked was delicious. Everything. That is, these are all the compliments. Okay. Showing care. That is expression that we use to show care to others. Okay. That is, I care about you, and we are giving cautions to some people like you don't go there, there is some dangerous thing is there, like that. Okay, showing care, that is also expressing our thing. To express our sympathy, that is, I am sorry to hear that, I do sympathize, I know what you feel. To express our happiness, that's real, etc. Introducing oneself, that is expression that we use to introduce ourselves. Here, like congratulating on someone's promotion, like there is job promotion. Congratulations on your well deserved promotion. Good luck in your new position. You should be really happy and proud of your success. Hope this promotion brings all kind of new challenges and opportunities for you. Way to climb that corporate ladder. You worked hard for this and you deserve it. Okay, then what is the real meaning of complimenting? An expression of praise, commendation, or admiration. A sincere compliment boosts one's morale. A formal act of expression of civility, respect, or regard. The major paid him the compliment of escorting him. Compliments, a courteous greeting, good wishes, regards he sends to you, his compliments. Okay. And how do you congratulate someone? Differently, different ways to say congratulations. Okay, what are the different ways you know, girls? How many ways are there you can congratulate someone? Like you will say like congratulations to you, like that. Yes or no? Here, respects, fantastic, hats off, sensational, well done, good job, you rock, nice going, etc. Okay. In a different way, you are congratulating someone for them. Okay, that is congratulation. That is, use congrats in a sentence. Casual way to congratulation. Okay, how do you congratulate a student? That is a more formal way. Congratulations on your well-deserved success. Warmest congratulations on your graduation. Congratulations on your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure. So happy to share in the excitement of your graduation day, and so very proud of you too. With love and pride today and always. These are all the way, that is the most formal way to congratulate a student. Okay. And how do you write a professional congratulation? Emails. That is how you will congratulate in email. That is, here tips for what to include in your congratulatory message. That is, start with a salutation begin your congratulation message with greetings. Congratulate the recipient. Be encouraging. Recognize their specific achievement. Add a personal touch. Include advice and offer of help or good wishes. Okay, girls. Then, how do you write a formal congratulation letter? A formal letter of congratulations begins with some basic celebratory statements. Says, I want to congratulate you on your recent promotion. That is, I want to congratulate you on your recent promotion. Okay, another general statement of congratulations could be job well done. Is that clear? Then, why do we congratulate someone? It's also a way of recognizing and supporting someone's happiness and good fortune. Here, why do we congratulate someone? That is, it is also a way of recognizing and supporting someone's happiness and good fortune. When people congratulate engaged or married couples, they are invoking the second definition of the word, offering best wishes and acknowledging the couple's happiness. Is it clear, ma? Why we are congratulating someone? Because it recognizes or supports someone's happiness and good fortune, so that we are congratulating. It is adding up someone's success. Is that clear? Okay. Then, what does it mean to congratulate someone? Okay, to congratulate is to praise or compliment someone, or to offer them good wishes when something good happens. Okay. Here, can you say huge congratulations? No. We would not use huge in this way. We would say something like hearty congratulations or sincere congratulations. Having said that, is hearty congratulations is nowadays considered somewhat formal. Okay. Then, what is mean by heartiest congratulation? That is, hearty congratulations is the correct answer. Hearty is a noun used in a warm and unreserved manner. It describes the sincere and heartfelt gesture. It corresponds to anything strong and substantial. While heartily is an adjective used in context of thorough or a vigorous expression sometimes for expressing sincerity. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Have you understood? Okay. expression of compliments. That's nice. Appearance. You are looking good. That is also a appearance. You are good. That's look nice. I like your dress. Everything. Okay. Then expression for congratulations. There is congratulations on. Let me congratulate you on. Congratulations. Well done. Fantastic. Etc. How are compliments constructed? Here, how do you say well done? Here are some examples as given. I'm proud you are on my team. Congratulations on a terrific job. You are so helpful. Thank you. You continually improve. Well done. Thanks so much for your consistent effort. I really admire your perseverance. Your cheerful mood lifts the team's spirit. You are a champion. These are all the way to say well done. Okay. Next, how do you congratulate team members for good work? Congratulations to each member on the team for the fantastic results. We are really happy with the huge success. Well done, each of you. The project turned out to be a great success because of our teamwork. Okay, in this way, we can congratulate to the whole team for their good work. Okay, and we have seen the letters of appreciation. Yes or no? Then, how do you praise someone professionally? That having you on the team makes a huge difference. In this way, we can praise, we can compliment. You always find a way to get it done and done well. It's really admirable how you always see projects through from conception to completion. Okay, concept from complete. Thank you for always speaking up in team meeting and providing a unique perspective. These are all the way to compliment someone, to praise someone professionally. Okay. How do you show appreciation? There is a simple way to show appreciation. Everyone wants to feel appreciated for many things, many reasons, most of the works. Okay, appreciation is just saying thank you. For example, you have cooked a food for your family members, and if any one of your family members says that the food looks delicious, tastes delicious, it's really very good, like that compliment if they give na, what you will understand, how you feel, you will feel very amazed, very happy. Yes or no? So appreciation is most important thing in our life. Is it clear? Okay, so appreciation is most important. Okay, here additional 6 formula example, that is, you have such beautiful hair, what a lovely baby you have, isn't your ring beautiful, you really did a good job, you really handled that situation well, nice game. These are the compliments. Okay, now you have understood, Noma, what is compliment and congratulations, congratulating someone, in what situation you have to congratulate. Okay, yes or no, girls? That is how do you compliment. There is in what way you have to compliment, what are the words you have to use, and you have to know the situation, right? Give compliment right away. Focus on the great find, not where it's from. Never ask someone if something is real. Try to focus your flattery. Make your compliment genuine and positive. Okay. Is that clear, ma? Okay. When you congratulate or when you appreciate, look directly into the person's eyes and earnestly tell them what you think. Okay, say it with a smile. Try qualifying your words with a superlative. Say, you are absolutely beautiful or you are so beautiful. Okay, in this way it goes on. Okay, okay, girls, by this your communication skill ends. Tomorrow we'll see a different topic. Please do watch the video, girls. If you have any doubts, please do ask, then only I can clarify your doubts. Okay, girls, thank you, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.